Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on my GUCCI Marmont camera bag. I love this bag so much, and if you're wondering a little more about it or if you're wanting to buy this bag, then just keep on watching. So what I'm going to talk about first is a little review, and then I'll give you guys some pros and some cons for this bag. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So as you guys can see, I have the black one with the gold hardware. They come in so many different colors, and now they came out with the like GG Supreme canvas, and that one's really pretty, and it has like the black trimming, and then I think they also have like a red trimming that is really pretty. And then as I was looking up this bag for like a little more details for you guys, I saw they came out with a new collection. They have now silver hardware. I don't know if I like it or not. I think I would have to see it in person and try it on, but they had like a baby pink one, a baby blue one, even a yellow one, which is really cute. And then they had like all three colors on one bag. And then I think they had another one, but I can't remember. But they're really cute. They have silver hardware. I love gold hardware personally, depending on the bag, but for this GUCCI camera bag, I really like the gold hardware, but that can always change. I would love to look at them in person once, you know, we are back to normal. But yeah, so I have the black one with the gold hardware, and this leather is a chevron matelasse kind of leather. It's really pretty. I love the little stitching detail. It just gives the bag so much character. It is very durable too, like no scratching or anything like that. And when you turn the bag over, it has the GG stitching as well with the matelasse stitching print. And then on the zipper pull tab, there's these little tassels. They're really cute. And then also the zipper is gold. And then also for the strap, it is a black strap with some gold chain detailing, which gives it a really pretty look. I really like it. I don't think I would have liked it if it was just all leather strap, because I feel like it would need some little, you know, oomph in it. So I really like how they added the gold chain to the strap. So before we get inside of the bag, I just wanted to give you guys dimensions of this bag. So the width of the bag, 9.5 inches. And the height of the bag, 5 inches, and then the diameter of the bag, 3 inches. So it is a very decent size kind of bag, but it can be considered a small bag. This bag comes in 2 different sizes. They have a mini, which is like a little, maybe from like here to here. It is tiny. I did do an unboxing of the mini one, but as I was like using it for the first time, I didn't like how small it was. And when it was my fault, honestly, because when I first went to go look at the bag, the mini size, my heart leaned towards this size. But I just bought the mini one, and then when I got home, I kind of regretted it. So yeah, I returned it and I got this size, and I am totally obsessed with the size and this bag. But yeah, let's get right into the inside of the bag. So when you open the bag, it has this microfiber lining. It's really soft, and I like how it has the lining. There's definitely pros and cons to this lining, but I'll get into that once I talk about the pros and the cons. But also in this bag, it features a little pocket with this little tab, and the tab says GUCCI made in Italy. So this bag was made in Italy. GUCCI's origin is Italy. Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons. So first I'm going to start with the pros, and then I'll talk about the cons. The first pro to this bag is how much you can fit in this bag. It is a small bag. My mom is currently using this bag, but when I was using it, I could fit literally everything, to my wallet, to my hand lotion, my perfume. I even put like a mini water bottle in here once, and it was perfect. And I really like how this bag, it seems like it's small, but it's compact and it can fit a lot. So that definitely is a pro for me. I like smaller bags now. I'm in this smaller bag kind of phase. So if a bag is on the smaller side but it can fit a lot, then that's definitely like a selling point for me. So yeah, if you guys are like that, then yeah, that is one pro for this bag. My second pro to this bag is the versatility of this bag. So as you guys can see in the front of the bag, it has these 2 gold GD logos. I really love Gucci hardware. You just can feel how luxurious it is and just like good quality, and I really like the feeling of it. So that is definitely a pro with this bag, how you can wear it on this side. But if you want to be a little understated that day, you don't want to, you know, be too flashy, then you can always turn the bag around. And if you watched my previous videos, you guys know I've mentioned this so much in all my other videos, but honestly it is such a pro to me because I love a bag that is versatile, that you can use in so many different ways, and you know, it just makes it worth the money to me. So I really like how this stitching is done as well. You could tell it's a Gucci bag, but at the same time it isn't too much in your face, so I really like it. It's really good quality stitching. No stitching has ever come out of this bag. Like, the stitching is still really amazing. And it seriously looks brand new, honestly, and I really like, you know, the versatility of it. If you want to change it up a day or not, it just gives you a little more options with this bag, so that is definitely a pro to me. So the third pro for this bag for me is the strap. So when I first got this bag, the strap was a little bit stiff. That's the word I was trying to think of the word, but it was stiff. So I was a little worried about that because I loved the bag, but I didn't want a bag that the leather strap was going to be stiff and be uncomfortable on my shoulder, even because I like to stuff this bag. I didn't want it to be heavy and uncomfortable. It's just, to me, to that point, if there's a bag that's heavy and it's just killing my shoulder, I'm not going to wear it. So I love how the more I used it, the more comfortable this strap is. I really love this strap because not only is it comfortable, but it is adjustable. So again, that versatility in there, you can adjust it. Here is the holes for the adjustment. I have it on the second hole because I'm short, so I need a little bit shorter. But I mean, again, you can adjust it however you want and it will work out for you. So I really like the versatility of that as well. But not only that, but like I mentioned before, I really love how they added this little gold detailing to the chain. It just gives the bag such a chic look. I really love it. Makes it look so pretty and stand out a little bit more. So that is definitely a pro to me. My fourth pro to this bag is the little zipper pull tab. I really like this zipper pull tab because it gives a little cute detailing to the bag. And also it makes it so much easier to open and close this bag. When I first got this bag, the zipper pull tab, it was kind of stiff because of the leather, but when I was using it over time, it got easier, and I just really like this little feature of the bag. So that is definitely a pro for me. So my fifth pro to this bag is this little pocket in the bag. I really like this pocket because I could put my smaller things like chapstick, a little mini hand lotion in here, and it separates everything from within the bag, and it's easier to find. Even my keys I could put in there, and it's just really cute. And I really like bags that have like some compartments or just a pocket at least, and it's not like a giant hole in your bag and you just stuff everything, and it's so hard to find something, and you know, it's just that mess. It's a little dramatic, but you know what I mean. I really like how this bag features this pocket, so that is definitely a pro to me and something that I look for when I'm buying a smaller bag. But yeah, that is my last pro. So now I'm going to go into the cons of this bag, and I only have 2 cons. So my first con would be that the microfiber suede lining is 50-50 a good thing, but also a bad thing. It is really soft and it gives the bag a luxurious feel. I really like the feel of it, but on the other hand, it gets dirty very quickly. And it's not because you're a messy person, it just over time gets dirty from like putting things in your bag and taking them out and whatnot. I really like to clean my bags maybe once a week, like Sunday, so I can use it throughout the week and then clean it again Sunday. But just over time it gets dirty because of the microfiber suede. It like kind of sticks to everything, if that makes sense. But that is just something to look out for. If you are the type of person that doesn't like that kind of thing, then I mean, then maybe this bag isn't for you. I know they created versions where it had like silk material, and I really like that, but I really like this bag because of how soft it is, the inside. And my second con to this bag is that I don't know if this is really a con, but it kind of bothers me, and I don't know why it bothers me, but the interior of the bag, it isn't attached to the actual bag, if that makes sense. So as you guys can see, I'm literally pulling the interior of the bag, so it kind of can get annoying if it like starts to like look like that. If you guys can see that, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it like doesn't attach to the bag, so you have to kind of like organize it and make it look neat and all. I'm not gonna let that stop me from loving this bag because I really love this bag, but the reason why it is a pro, because it makes it easier to clean the inside of your bag. So when you pull this out, you could just like get all like the dirtiness, and it's just easier to reach those areas. So it kind of is a con, but it's not. I just wanted to mention that, and I haven't seen anyone mention it in any other video that I've watched, so I just wanted to mention it for you guys. And that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love watching handbag review videos on YouTube. They're just so much fun, and it just like makes me decide if I want to add a bag to my wish list or not. I wanted to also mention that I am currently selling some things on my Instagram, like my LV pochette accessories, my Gucci sneakers, my Balenciaga Triple S sneakers, and also my YSL small Lulu bags. And I'm also selling my 2 Chanel card holders. So the purple one that I have a video on my channel, and also the red one. So if you're interested in any of those things or want a little bit more information, go message me on Instagram. But while you're at it, please go follow me. I'll put my name on the screen so it's easier for you guys, and I'll also leave a link down below so you could just click it. Hope you guys had a happy Easter. Hope everyone is safe and staying home. It's been rough, but you know, we're gonna all get through this, and I'm glad I can make these videos for you guys. It'll escape for you guys to just have a minute just to, you know, relax and watch videos that make you happy, and it makes me happy making these videos. So I'm gonna stop rambling, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.